Su segunda Zegama, el año pasado no se le dio muy bien, pero Francesco quería volver. You come back. The last year, there's no good feelings, and you need repeat the race.
Yes, I really wanted to come back after last year. It was still a positive experience because I was coming back from an injury, but I didn't expect to have cramps during the race. So I think this year I can do better. Training has been pretty good this winter, and looking forward to tomorrow.
But tomorrow is complicated because the competitions, you are a good athlete. So what is your strategy for tomorrow?
Yeah, it's hard to tell because with these conditions, the trails will be very muddy and wet, and I think any strategy will just go out of the window. And it will be important to go by feel and to read the race, to make smart decisions and smart moves, see what everyone does, but also like listen to the body because tomorrow is going to be tough.
Bueno, good luck. Le deseamos mucha suerte a Francesco. Dice que mañana simplemente tener buenas sensaciones para seguir la carrera. Good luck, Francesco.
Gracias.